Hello folks, welcome back. In this lecture we are going to write Ansible playbook by using yum module. Let's do that one. I'm clearing the screen and ls. So far we have created only one Ansible playbook. I'm going to create a new Ansible playbook, that is install packages.yml. Okay, install packages.yml, and it starts with three minuses followed by a single minus space. Name, I'm going to give name this playbook install packages. Okay, now hosts. Now whether I want to install on all hosts or only on specific hosts, that I can specify. So I would like to do it on only web servers. Okay, in web servers we have only two servers. Next, become true, because it is a installation. If you don't specify this one, your Ansible playbook cannot execute this one. Next, tasks. Under tasks, we are using minus name. So I'm naming my first task install package. Okay, install package, and I'm using a module called yum. Okay, yum is a module. If you don't know which module you should use, you can go and check for Ansible module to install packages. You can see yum module manage packages, and if I open the first link itself, it takes us to module page, and you can scroll down. You can see the parameters, what and all parameters you can use for this specific module. And if you scroll down little more, you can see how you can use this module. You can see a example: install the latest version of Apache, yum, name, httpd, state, latest. Okay, similar way you can see the other examples as well. Clear? Now let's see what and all parameters we can use. We should use name parameter for this one. If you scroll down here, yep, name. This is the parameter we are using. A package name or package specifier with the version like so and so so and so. We can specify a package name. Next one is state. So state is another parameter. It is a choice of absent, installed, latest, present, removed. These are the options. So if we want to install, either we can use installed, latest or present. If we want to remove, either we can use absent or remove. Okay. So let's go and do this one. Now yum module, I'm specifying in the new line. Then it should give the two spaces over here and name colon. I'm going to install Git. If you remember, we have already installed Git on only one system, that is RHEL server. Now we are going to do in another server, Amazon Linux server. Now name Git, then state. State nothing but whether Git is installed or removed. So I would like to say that it should be installed, or installed, latest or present, whatever I need, I can use it. It should be installed. Save it. Now let's open our Ansible playbook. And if you see this one, I'm trying to install our packages on only web servers, and become true. I have given a become true and name Git and installed. If I go and check in the Red Hat server, Git is already installed. But if I see on Amazon Linux server, Git is not installed. And same on Ubuntu also, but currently we are not installing on Ubuntu. Okay, Ubuntu it is already there. Okay, it comes by default, I think. But anyway, we are not touching Ubuntu. Why we are not touching? If I open my hosts file in the web servers, there is no Ubuntu server. Ubuntu server exists only on DB servers. Okay, and also Ubuntu server doesn't works with yum. That is the reason I am not doing on Ubuntu server. We'll do it in little later. Let's execute this Ansible playbook. Ansible playbook minus I hosts. I'm explicitly specifying my hosts information, and followed by install packages. Okay, it is gathering facts, it's fine. And you can see installing packages. In first system it is already installed, so nothing to change, but in second system it's installed. Now if I go and check for the git, yes, you can see it is already installed now. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the become true so that our Ansible playbook should not run. Now let's edit our file, install some other package. So here I'm commenting it out. I don't want to do with the root, and I want to install the tree. Okay, tree is already installed on RHL server. Now it is not available on Amazon Linux, but let's try this one. So Ansible playbook -i hosts install packages. Let's do this one now. I'm not running this Ansible playbook as a root user. So you can see here this command has to be run under the root user. Even in this also, you need to be root to perform this command. Okay, now again I need to enable it. Instead of editing, I can supply this value from outside, that is with -b option. -b nothing but become. So let's execute this time, and it should be run as a root and install the packages on the target system. So on RHL server, no need because it is already there, and on Amazon Linux, it's installed. This is how we can supply become root statement from the Ansible command line. Alright, now I am going to do one last thing. If you see /etc Ansible hosts, okay, this is the default one, right? And also cat install packages, it is trying to install on the web servers group. Now let me execute this Ansible playbook without any hosts file. Now what will happen? It looks for the web servers in the default host file. Why? Because it is defined in the ansible.cfg, but there is no group called web servers. It cannot execute on any of these systems. Let's execute. You can see here nothing can be done because could not match supplied host pattern, ignoring web servers, because it could not find web servers in this particular inventory file, so it just skipped. That's how Ansible playbooks does work. That's all for this lecture. In next video we are going to see how to create a directory or file on the target system. Thanks for watching. See you there.